Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to join the Grow a Garden Discord server, step by step. If this helps you out, consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. First, go to the Roblox website on your browser, or open the Roblox mobile app. Search for the game Grow a Garden and click on it. Once you're on the game page, scroll down. Look for the social link section, usually located below the description. You should see a Discord icon or a link that says Discord. Click on the Discord link, or icon if you're on mobile. It will open a new tab or redirect you to the Discord invite page. Once on the Discord page, click Accept Invite or Join. If you're not logged in, Discord will ask you to log in or sign up first. Once you're in the server, follow any quick setup steps like agreeing to the rules or reacting to a message to unlock channels. And that's it! You're now part of the Grow a Garden community on Discord. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share it with friends. See you inside the server.